Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong, and the question today is, what's the importance of forgiveness? It really is. Kailangan mo forgive for you to be able to move to the next level of your life because the future is hazy. Parang blurred siya ba? Blurred. The picture is blurred. The future is blurred kapag hindi ka nakapag-forgive sa past mo or to whatever it is that happens, even forgiveness to yourself. There are ways, no, for you to be able to forgive something. Ang tawag ko dyan, raise your flag. Yun, flag. Lagi ka tatandaan. F for forgiveness. Kailangan patawarin mo yung isang pangyayari sa buhay mo, even yung tao na nakakos sa'yo ng pain, or even yung self mo na may bagay ka na hindi nagawa na dapat. Because life is meant for us to grow, not to be perfect. Diba? Agad-agad, talagang pagpanganak mo sa mundo, talagang ikaw na talaga yung parang gano'n. Hindi, diba? So, kailangan mong mag-learn sa mga bagay na yon. And if you have understanding to others, definitely, mafo-forgive mo ang isang bagay. And for letting go, it means that whatever happened in the past, you need to let go upon talking it again. Na minsan kasi pag may isang tao na nakasakit sa isang tao, kung ikukwento niya yun sa mga kaibigan niya, parang kakapangyari lang kahapon. Pero nangyari yun nung elementary pa siya. It was still, parang parang present pa diba? Kung magkwento. Minsan, they're so passionate about talking about their past, but hindi dapat. You must be passionate in seeing yourself right now and determining your future. Ibig sabihin, wala na, ilalet go mo na not just forgive, but letting go of what happened in the past. You cannot see the future so clear if yung past mo lagi mong pasan-pasan at buhat-buhat. You want to be light. You want na magaan yung buhay mo. So make sure that you let go. A is acceptance sa flag. Ibig sabihin, accept it. Life happens. Minsan may mga bagay na talagang hindi mo control. It's because ganun din yung programming nila. Yun din yung role nila sa mundo. Yun din yung kailangan nilang gawin. You need to accept na ibinigay yun sa'yo and it's a gift for you. Whatever it is na gusto mong ipagpatawa, tandaan mo. Sabi nga, that life happens not to you, but it happens for you. Kasi kailangan mo siyang ma-experience sa buhay mo. And definitely, as you accept these things, nag-iibang level yung wisdom mo, nag-iibang level how you see life, your perception about life and about what's going on. And last, sa flag is G or gratitude. Hindi lang siya na forgive mo, hindi lang siya na nilet go mo na, I will not talk about it again. Hindi lang siya na inaccept mo, but you must see what needs to be thankful about that one. Kailangan, I'm so thankful it happened because this made me this. I'm thankful it happened and napatawad ko na yung tao na yun kasi dinevelop niya yung pagkatao ko. I've had my breakthrough and personal transformation because of what happened. And if you have that gratitude deep in your heart, definitely you will understand life. You will bring all your wisdom. Let go of the past. Bring the wisdom sa iyo ngayon of what happened in the past and you can move along to your bright future in the end. Kaya you need forgiveness in your life. Kasi imaginein mo, parang kang nabubuhay na, every day, may iniisip ka na, pangit naman tong tao na to, pangit yung ginawa niya. Meron kang parang dala-dala. Pag ganun yung thinking mo sa ibang tao, it reflects in your life. So, kailangan, lahat na makikita mo, you forgive the person, you appreciate the person, you'll be grateful for what happened. In that state, magugulat ka lang na parang ang gaan-gaan ng buhay, ang dali-dali ng buhay. Parang everyday, pag may gusto kong gawin, ibinibigay agad sa'yo. Meron kang unlimited creativity in your life because all of your energy is focused on creating your beautiful present so that you'll be able to create a more beautiful future. So forgive, always remember, this is Pearl Hong sending you love and light.